What do you do if you have no work experience when applying for certain job vacancies? There are times when job applicants and graduates mostly feel reluctant to apply for certain job vacancies because they think they don't have the necessary skills, experiences, and abilities towards that position that has been advertised. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you information or skills and abilities you need, or what you need to provide if you have no work experience when job vacancies come your way day in, day out. As a job applicant or a graduate coming out from college, the most common work experience you have and can include it as part of your work experiences are the various internships and industrial attachments you carried out during your time back at school. Majority of job applicants and graduates mostly leave out their industrial attachments and internships when applying for job vacancies. Meanwhile, industrial attachments also count as part of your work experience. So avoid neglecting them when applying for job vacancies. Always make sure that you include industrial attachments as part of your work experiences. Number 2 is the various courses and soft skills you possess. Do not joke with them. Soft skills and courses you learned are also part of skills and abilities that will help you to carry out certain administrative duties and tasks when you get employed by your potential employer or recruiter. So always make sure that you do not overlook such petty courses and skills you gained during your learning activity process. The next tip is to include any voluntary work you have done. Voluntary work and activities are part of work experiences, so always make sure that you add voluntary works and voluntary duties you have performed for any organization, be it NGO, private sector, or government sector. So make sure that you always add voluntary activities and voluntary works as part of your experience and professional experiences gained or acquired. The next activity is the next information you need to add is to prove that you will be able to carry out duties that will be assigned to you. When you provide these details, the employer will get to know that you are really prepared and ready for any task ahead. So these are the information you need to add on your CV if you have no work experience when preparing your CV or when applying for certain job vacancies. Share this for others to benefit. You can also include or comment on this same topic what you think or the information you think should be added on your CV when you are applying for job vacancies without any work experiences. You can subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. Kindly share, subscribe, and comment for others to benefit. This is 𝐏𝐑𝐄𝐏 Professional Services. Subscribe for more updates like this. At 𝐏𝐑𝐄𝐏 Professional Services, we do it right. Thank you for watching.